Welcome back to Bible Quiz Star. What does judging others reveal about oneself? A. Freedom. B. Innocence. C. Justice. Or D. Own guilt. The correct answer is D. Own guilt. If you guessed that right, just hit the like button. Is God's judgment only for some people? Is it true or false? The answer is false. If you guessed that right, then subscribe. What is God's desire shown through patience? A. Change of heart. B. Glory. C. Ignorance. Or D. Punishment. The correct answer is A. Change of heart. Can one escape God's judgment by judging others? Is it true or false? The answer is false. What is stored up by a hard and unchanged heart? A. Hope. B. Mercy. C. Peace. Or D. Wrath. The correct answer is D. Wrath. Does God reward every man according to his deeds? Is it true or false? The answer is true. What will God give to those who seek glory, honor, and salvation? A. Eternal life. B. Fame. C. Power. Or D. Riches. The correct answer is A. Eternal life. Are those who reject truth shown wrath? Is it true or false? The answer is true. Who experiences trouble and sorrow according to their deeds? A. Evildoers. B. Good doers. C. Judges. Or D. Law followers. The correct answer is A. Evildoers. Is there any partiality with God? Is it true or false? The answer is false. Who will be justified before God, according to the law? A. Believers. B. Doers. C. Hearers. Or D. Teachers. The correct answer is B. Doers. Does the conscience of Gentiles serve as their own law? Is it true or false? The answer is true. In the day of judgment, what does God reveal about men? A. Anger. B. Hope. C. Rewards. Or D. Secrets. The correct answer is D. Secrets. Are those who preach to others exempt from following their own teachings? Is it true or false? The answer is false.